Sink your teeth into that like button. I am the Dominant Wolf, and welcome back to Corpse Party. In the last episode, crazy stuff happened, and it just got weird, but we are going to continue on in the storyline and play it. Alright, we're in the West Hall. Oh, this is where we were going. I need to go down. So, yeah, alright. Oh, such tiny shoes. This really was an elementary school, huh? Yeah. You and the others must be getting pretty hungry by now. Oh yeah, I forgot, your father is working late tonight, isn't he? Yep. All those mouths to feed don't come cheap after all. And while Dad's working to put some food in, I get the house for... Yeah, I guess you and them are still just little kids, so somebody would be needed around. You're pretty amazing, Seko. A high schooler and mom and all rolled into one. And I'm sure how I feel about that statement. I just have to get back to them though. Yes, it's a shame for you. Your mom's waiting for you, Naomi. But we'll make it back. I know we will. One way or another, we will get out of this place. You bet. What's your top? Oh, no good. It won't budge. Don't feel like it gave off. Alright, so the door's locked, I guess, and we got to... So, where do we gotta go the other way? Can we get the board back? Can we get that one board back? The loose board is dangling partially over the edge. Pick it back up. Yes. Alright, so we can pick it up, and we're going to put it over this way. The loose board has been placed in place. Oh, okay, we can't go up there because of the chairs. It got too creepy. Ah! Ow, what's wrong, Naomi? Look over there. Are those bones? Like, people bones? Eek! Why is there a dead person here? Wait, let me look at them more closely. Maybe they're not real? They really are somebody's bones. No! Seko! You two. You two are new victims, are you not? A ghost! Who are you? I was brought here against my will and confined, just like you. Where is here? Do you know something about this place? This is cursed. Multi-dimension nexus, multiple planes of existence, all piled on top of one another, created by powerful vengeance spirits. Closed space, or perhaps closed spaces. And you and we as well are unlucky victims of an unexpected abduction. Closed spaces? I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. I was thinking of how about this game. What? Does that mean everybody here is too? Are they okay? I wonder. So our friends are in the school too? I don't know the exact number, but I do. Excuse me. But I do know that others were pulled into these spaces at the same times as you. They are definitely in this school. Oh my god, that's such good news. Naomi, they're here. We're not alone. That means Mochida's here too. I bet that makes you feel a lot better, right? However, you cannot meet them. They are definitely in the school, but the space they occupy differs from the space we occupy. If you wish to see your friends, you must find some means of entering their space or bringing them into this space. Even then, escape this night. Oh god, I'm tired. Escape is impossible, but at least you be able to die together. Oh god. There's no way out here then? You say we're brought here by vengeful spirits, right? Who are they? And why are they taking us? I don't know. Neither the motive or of our captives, nor a means of escaping this hell. All I know is the different efforts you can at least live out your days together in the same space, and that's alone enough faith worth fighting for. Two heads. Excuse me. Two heads are better than one. Your chances and your opportunities are so much greater when working together. Do whatever you can to find a way out of here. Don't end up like us. So he's going to open the door. Oh my god. Oh god, that is so creepy. Naomi, run, we have to get out of here. Okay. What is she writing? Are you alright, Seika? Yeah. Well, what the hell was that? A child? Spirit? It did kind of glow. I never believed in ghosts before. Is this really happening? They were definitely ghosts in there. First time I ever seen something like this. So you saw it too, right? Yeah, and we were talking to it. I just don't understand any of this, except that there's no easy way out for us. Like it or not, we're stuck in here. It'll be okay. Let's just, march on with our heads held high or something. I'm gonna go back. I want to see if that writing's still there. Oh my god, the writing. What the heck is this? Wait, this is here before? Let's save. Leave. And let's read. Can we read these? No running in the halls. Any student caught running will certainly be disciplined. Oh god. Whips and chains. Classroom 3-8 is locked. Admit. Oh, let's see if we can go down. Oh god, why? Oh god, what the hell is this? Yes, it's horrifying. It's like somebody was thrown from the other end of the hall at superhuman speed and just splattered everywhere. It smells so meaty. Oh god. Sorry, are you okay, Naomi? I'm fine. Let's just get away from here. Okay. Wait, is that another loose board we can get? We got another loose board. Don't know why, unless we have to go back on that other. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, what's this? Oh, we can collect the name tags? Note to self, find the bones too. I told everyone that I'd go with them, so why have I been left behind? It hurts. It hurts so much. Looks like there's really have been a lot of different people brought here. It'll work out for us though, I'm sure of it. Oh my god, I just don't, oh my god. Can we go down this? No, we cannot. So, forward! Oh. If you wish to leave this place, you must take heed of messages left behind. There are many other victims here. Many victims that... It hurts. It hurts so much. You were the person! Oh! Okay, I'm terrified. Alright, another... My head is spinning unbearably. I can't take it. I can't take it. I can't take it. When we found Yuzuha's body, I saw a black shadow. But I didn't tell anyone about it, and now it killed them all. I'm so sorry, everybody. I'm so sorry. The lower... Oh my... Oh my god, the spirit is that person? Oh, there's the music. Oh yeah, that helps so much. Oh god, we going to... Okay. Well, there's an item over there. I'm sure of it. We'll get it. Oh, a skeleton remains of a girl with a big hole in her head. Alright, we got another Sensei Academy for Girls class. To Azuka Kato. Oh, another spirit thing. Someone else thought echoes in your head. If you keep a close eye on it, that light keeps running around from you. Pay attention to its location. Find the exact spot where it once stood and examine it thoroughly. When we come back, the time it jumps in front. So how about one of us waits for it over there? Alright, so it is right there. And I'm hoping I will remember it. Remembering. Frickin' forgot. I think I forgot. Right here? Okay. Don't you dare leave me behind. We're leaving you behind. You're getting annoying, Seiko. I'm joking. Seiko, you're my buddy. I love Seiko. I like Seiko. Seiko's kind of adorable. Ah, there it goes. Almost got it. Yeah, gotcha. Naomi, I got it. You did it. Nice job. Oh, it's a key. Infirmary. What else can we do? There's a handwritten letter on the floor. I'm a goner, sis. The tendons in my ankles have been cut really bad. The bleeding just won't stop. Please don't give up. I want you to keep living for both of us. I'm going to document everything I've learned so far in hopes that you can use this for information to help you keep yourself. Oh my god! I can't take this game no more already. Wait, wasn't... So, this is a key to one of the locked doors. So, we just have to find a locked door. Lock a door. Ever see you coming? Get that locked door. Wait, what's... Oh! Okay, this ain't gonna be good. This is not going to be good. Okay, come. Oh, found the... Just... Gonna save... And I guess I'll end the video off right here. I don't know how long I've been recording, and I'm sorry if it's short. It's just, this game is kind of getting... I just need to learn more from this game. And, yeah. But, sink your teeth into that like button because it does help me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to join the Wolf Pack. I will see y'all in the next video. Me and Lieutenant Wolf. Peace.